Lots of warm sunshine, some fog banks and a low risk of a shower. That's the outlook really for the next few days as high pressure stays in charge over the British Isles. We've got light winds in the forecast through the days ahead and temperatures increasingly warm and humid even further northwards across Britain as the week goes on. A very slim chance of an isolated afternoon shower on Tuesday, perhaps the greatest risk just drifting into Wales later in the afternoon, but the vast majority of the mountain areas will stay dry all the way through. Some fog around the coastal fringes in northern Scotland that should tend to burn away a little bit as the day goes on. Most of the higher mountains above any low-level fog and most places seeing extensive sunshine. It's possible that with a slight northeasterly drift off the North Sea, areas from around the Firth of Forth southwards could just drag some fog in from the North Sea, and that might be a story again onwards into Wednesday, where some of those eastern coastal fringes, even a bit further north around the east coast of Scotland, could have some lingering har that could just be around through the daytime. Much of the mountain areas in the clear and higher tops above any lower level fog banks. Essentially then, it's a very warm and sunny day for many, with light winds across the country and just again that very isolated risk of a shower by the afternoon. Greater risk is at the further south across Wales, further north with the high quite strong. It's very unlikely. Now, many of the valleys and the glens getting well into the 20s Celsius with the maybe exception of eastern Scotland. Warmest values over England and Wales through Tuesday, Wednesday to around the mid-20s, and around the Peak District 27, 28 Celsius or even a shade higher could be possible through the afternoon. So be aware of sunburn, the strong sunshine that's going to be around, and dehydration as well with the heat and a rather humid atmosphere as well. Not a great deal changes on that synoptic chart into Thursday. If anything, the southeasterly drift of the airflow just maybe dragging some of the warmer and humid air even further north into Scotland, so temperatures probably peaking on Thursday for the Highlands. Western Scotland in particular could see highs 26, 27 Celsius in many of the glens. Again, a low risk of a shower. Wales, mid-Wales is the greatest risk of that. Eastern coastal fringes again could be stuck with some low cloud and har. Now, towards the weekend, an increasing risk of some thunderstorms across the southern half of Britain at least. We'll look at those details further in Tuesday's planning outlook. Thanks for watching today's Fleeting View.